Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can reset your password to unlock your account in iTax portal. What you're supposed to do is just get to the iTax portal, and then you're supposed to enter your password. So let me enter my password, which is here, A015 43007A. Then you need to click forgot password. Then you need to confirm you have input the right thing. Then you need to do a simple mathematical computation, which is basically 86 minus 13, which technically gives us a value of 73. Then you need to hit submit to forget your password. So this password is sent to your email and your mobile SMS. So, but I'll just use the email method, but you have received the same password into the email to the mobile SMS. So let me get into my email and see the password which has been sent. You can see this password has been set from KRA in order to help me reset my password. This is my login credentials, which is my KRA pin and the password. So I need to come here and populate it here. So this is the password. So I need to take it from here and bring it here. So what I will do basically, so I'll just come back here and re-enter the tin, which is A015 43007A. Then I need to continue. Then I need to come and enter that password here in order to reset it. So let me re-enter that password, which is I wanted to come and paste it basically here so that I can be able to change it. So let me come here. Let me delete these ones here. Let me paste it here, so which is technically here. So let me re-enter it. So I have a problem with caps, that's why I copied it here so that I ensure what I'm doing is the right thing. HM Q, then Q 9ZG 5B 5 So I need to ensure I'm in cap. Then I need to do this simple mathematical computation, which will give me 190. So I need to come here and re-enter the old password. The beauty with this, I can be able to paste it, since as I said, I have a problem with my caps, so that we can reset. So let me copy it and paste it here. Then I need to enter my new password here. So let me re-enter my new password here, which is here. Which is then I need to come and re-enter it here. Then I need to select my favorite color, so just choose red and then red. Then I need to agree, and I then need to click I agree with these terms, and then I have read and understood, and then submit. And after doing that, you have reset your password, so you can choose to update the password so that it can auto-populate and now you can be able to interact with this KRA dashboard. So that is how we usually reset to the password to unlock our account. So in case you have any query on how we do this, you can technically reach me using the contact in the description and also using the email in case you have any consulting about tax, income tax, VAT, and so on. This is the best